Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. So, find out your strength, find out the goal, and work hard to achieve your goal. Here we are going to start our day. As you all know that FA4 exam is going to be started. Since few lectures we are making revision for the same. The syllabus of FA4 exam is chapter number 9, time, chapter number 10, money. Also you have to prepare table of 6, 7 and 8 for examination. We have completed almost everything from chapter number 9. Today we are going to make a revision of chapter number 10, money. If we need many things in our everyday life, food, books, clothes and so on. When we need these things, we pay for them using money. Money can be in notes or coins. Have you ever noticed what shape are all coins? What shape are all notes? Find out how much a pencil costs. Compare it. Is it more or less than an eraser? You can compare it on the other way. How much more or less it is. Now everyone, get ready with your notebook, pencil. Sit straight. Write the date first. Then write revision FA4. Chapter 10 Money. Now I will detect very slowly so that you all can make proper copy in your book. Get the book, pencil. Ready everyone? Now write the heading. FILL, fill. I and in. THE, the. BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. I am waiting for some time. Write with a very good handwriting. Write neatly, properly. Leave some space between two words. Fill in the blanks. These blanks are from chapter number 10, Money. MONEY, money. Now leave one line and after that start writing given fill in the blanks. Number 1, now you all have to write with me and also read it 2 times after finishing so that you all can memorize it well. THE, the. SIDE, side. SHOWING, showing. THE, the. VALUE, value. OF, off. THE, the. COIN, coin. is CALLED, called, dash, make a full stop. Let me read once again. The side showing the value of the coin is called dash. HEADS, heads. TAILS, tails. Our options are heads or tails. Have you ever observed the coin? If you observe it properly, you can see that on the one side of the coin, there always written the value of that coin. For example, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. On the other hand, other side of that coin, you can observe the image of four-headed lion, national emblem. So the side where we can see the value of the coin is called TAILS, tails. First, everyone copy the answer in your book. After that, repeat the whole blank with me. Let's start. The side showing the value of the coin is called tails. You should repeat like this so that you all can memorize it well. Write blank number 2. After completing blank number 1, leave one line and then write number 2. While you are writing, make sure that your handwritings must be good. Leave some space after completing one word. Start writing. FIFTEEN 15. RUPEES rupees. ISEs WRITTEN return. As rupees. This is the sign of rupees dash. Full stop. I hope you all are writing with me. Here I am going to repeat again so that you all can complete it in your notebook. 15 rupees is written as rupees. What will be the answer? How can we write it? Do you have any idea? Let me explain. Here we have number name. FIFTEEN 15. So in the blank we have to express the numerical value of that number name. So here is the answer 1515. First, everyone complete this in your notebook. Then we will revise it again. 15 rupees is written as rupees 1515. Leave one line and write blank number 3. ONE1 HUNDRED 100 RUPEES rupees ISES WRITTEN return as rupees dash full stop. ₹100 is written as rupees dash. You all are writing with me? Very good. Check whether your handwritings are proper or not. Look, my dear students, as this is the revision, so you all have to write with me, huh? Let's solve it. Here also we have the number name 100. So we have to fill this blank with a numerical value for the same. Tell me, how can we write 100? Who knows? Yes, 100, 100. Now everyone repeat with me. 100 rupees is written as rupees 100. Now leave one line and then write the next one. Number 4. 1. Leave some space. RUPEE rupee. Is. The. Same as dash 2525p coins. 1 rupee is the same as dash 25 paisa coin. Let me explain. If we want to make 1 rupee, we need 425 paisa coins. Our answer is 4. Now everyone repeat with me the whole blank. 1 rupee is the same as 425 paisa coins. You all are writing? Very good. Is your handwriting good? Nice. Leave one line and then write the next one. Number 5. 2 50 paisa coins is the same as 1 rupees coin. TWO2 5050 P means paisa. COINS coins. Is. The. SAME same as 1 rupee coin. Means if we want to make 1 rupee with 50 paisa coin, we need 250 paisa coin. Is everyone completed? Number 6. FIFTY 50. PAISE paisa. Is. WRITTEN return. ASS dash. $50 is written as dash. Don't forget to make full stop. And yes, though you are writing mathematics, start with a capital letter. First letter must be capital. What will be the answer? Look, my dear students, here also we have number name FIFTY 50. How can we write 50? 50. Am I right? And as we are going to write about paisa, so I already have explained that P stands for paisa, the short form. So here we have to write 5050p. 50 paisa is written as 50p. Leave one line and then write the next one. Number 7. TWENTY 20. RUPEES rupees. is. WRITTEN written as rupees dash. 20 rupees is written as rupees dash. Here also we have number name TWENTY 20. So let's fill in the blank with the numbers 2020. 20 rupees is written as rupees 20. Number 8. 1 rupee is equal to dash paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So my dear students, today we make revision of fill in the blanks from chapter number 10, money. A very large best of luck to all my dear students for your FF4 examination. Do well and get well. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.